Welcome back to the course. In this lesson, you will learn about advanced Google hacking database. But before that, let's jump into understanding what Google hacking is. Google hacking, or even sometimes known as Google docking, involves using advanced operators in the Google search engine to locate specific errors of text within search results. Some of the more popular examples are finding specific versions of vulnerable web applications. Some of the most popular Google advanced search operators are given here, but these are not the complete list. There are many more others available which you can see on the internet. Let's take an example. Devices connected to the internet can be found through advanced Google search operators. A search string such as in URL, viewer, frame, question mark mode equals to will find public web cameras. As you can see from the results, we get results for webcams. Another useful search is in title index of followed by a search of a keyword. For example, if you just put down mp3 with it, it will list down all the mp3 files to you in the index form. If we click on one of these links, you can see we have a list of mp3 files. This can actually give a list of files on the servers. You can use symbols or words in your search to make your search result more precise. Google search usually ignores punctuation that isn't a part of a search operator. So don't put spaces between the symbol or word or your search term. For example, a search for site McAfee trainings.com will work. But if you put a space in between, it won't work properly. In this case, as you can see, this thing didn't work properly as we got some other variations of results as well, which we didn't want. But that wasn't the case when we were doing it properly. Now we can use more than one search operators. For example, we keep the site McAfeetrainings.com and we add in URL, and if we want, like for example, summer, and we get this error as Google doesn't accept this as a normal behavior. So we just have to prove that we are not a robot, and then we are good to go. And we can see we got the result which we want. Now, to know about more advanced Google hacking database, you can just Google about Google hacking database, and the first link which you click on it, it leads you to the ExploitDB website, which is maintained by Offensive Security. In this website or the Google hacking database, you will see the latest kinds of Google Docs, which you can use in your real time penetration testing and vulnerability assessments. There are a list of different kinds of Google Docs available over here. Like for example, if you click on this first link, you can see the Google Doc and its explanation, even the link, and even it says what does it bypasses, even the author name and the date it was published. So if we just try to use this, so we get some kind of vulnerable applications through this Google Doc. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks a lot.